Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this striped crochet tee. I'll be making it in a size extra small, and the full written pattern from sizes extra small to 3 extra large will be linked down below. You will need sock weight yarn. I ended up using 3 different colours, a 3.5mm crochet hook, some scissors, and a darning needle. I'm using a hand-dyed yarn from Riviera Designs that's 50% merino and 50% silk. Today we're going to start with the back panel. To begin, create a slip knot. Insert your crochet hook into the loop. Chain 100. Once you have 100 chains, we're going to double crochet into the third chain from the hook. To double crochet, yarn over and insert your hook into the chain. Yarn over and pull through a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2. Place 1 double crochet in each chain until the end of the row. You should have 98 stitches in total. To start row 2, chain 2 and turn. Throughout this pattern, chain 2 does not count as a stitch. Double crochet into the first stitch. Front post double crochet around the next stitch. And then back post double crochet. Alternate between front post double crochet and back post double crochet until the last stitch. Double crochet into the last stitch. Repeat row 2 until the end of row 6. Chain 2, turn, double crochet into the first stitch. Alternate between front post double crochet and back post double crochet, and then double crochet into the last stitch. We're at the end of row 6, so we're going to double crochet into the last stitch. I'm now changing yarn colours. You can colour change whenever you want, or refer to the stripe chart on the blog post. To start row 7, chain 2 and turn. Double crochet in each stitch of the row. Repeat row 7 until the end of row 54. I changed colours every 6 rows and carried the yarn up the side of the body. At the end of row 54, fasten off. For the front panel, you follow the same instructions for the back panel until row 44. We're now going to work on the shoulder shaping. To begin row 1, chain 2 and turn. Double crochet into the next 33 stitches. Double crochet 2 together. To double crochet 2 together, yarn over and insert your hook into the first stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. You should have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. To start row 2, chain 2 and turn. Double crochet 2 together, and then double crochet in each stitch until the end of the row. You should have 33 stitches. You're now going to alternate between rows 1 and 2 until row 10. For odd-numbered rows, chain 2 and turn. Double crochet in each stitch until 2 stitches are remaining. Double crochet 2 together. For even-numbered rows, chain 2 and turn. Double crochet 2 together, and then double crochet in the remaining stitches. Repeat these 2 rows until you reach row 10. Don't forget to change colours at row 5 so that the front panel stripes match the back panel stripes. At the end of row 10, fasten off. With the right side facing you, skip 28 stitches from the first double crochet 2 together. Secure your yarn and pull through a loop. To start row 1 of the right shoulder, chain 2. Double crochet 2 together. Double crochet in each remaining stitch. You should have 34 stitches in total. To start row 2, chain 2 and turn. Double crochet in each stitch until 2 stitches are remaining. Double crochet 2 together. Repeat rows 1 and 2 until row 10. Don't forget to change colours at row 5. At the end of row 10, fasten off. Here's the finished front panel. For the sleeves, you're going to begin by creating a slip knot. Insert your hook into the loop and chain 90. We're going to repeat rows 1 to 6 that we used for the body panels. To start off row 1, double crochet in the third chain from the hook. Double crochet in each stitch until the end of the row. You should have 88 stitches. To start off row 2, chain 2 and turn. Double crochet in the first stitch. Alternate between front post double crochet and back post double crochet until the last stitch. Double crochet into the last stitch. Repeat row 2 until the end of row 6. At the end of row 6, fasten off. Repeat these steps for the second sleeve. Lay the body panels flat with the right sides facing up, and we're going to sew across the top of the shoulders. I'm using a mattress stitch to sew the body panels together. Once you've sewed your body panels together, fold your sleeves in half and line up the middle of your sleeve with the shoulder seam. You can use stitch markers to hold your sleeve in place. With the wrong side facing you, whip stitch the sleeves to the body. Make sure to whip stitch around the yarn that's been carried up the side of the body to hide it from view. Once you've sewn on both sleeves, fold your top in half. Sew down the sides of the body and underneath the sleeves. Weave in all of your ends. And here's your finished striped crochet tee.